Have you ever wondered what sunsets look like on other planets? Take a look how each planet's sunset looks like. On Mercury, sunsets are strange. With almost no atmosphere, the sun doesn't glow or change color. It simply drops out of the sky. Venus paints its sunsets in deep oranges and yellows. Thick clouds scatter the sunlight, making the sky glow for hours. Earth's sunsets are familiar, yet unmatched. Blues, reds, purples, and gold, a perfect balance of light and life. On Mars, sunsets turn blue. Fine dust scatters red light, leaving an eerie blue glow around the fading sun. Jupiter has no solid surface. Its sunsets would vanish into endless clouds, stretching through massive storms and glowing bands. On Saturn, sunsets would reflect off its rings, filling the sky with shimmering light and shadow. Uranus tilts on its side. Its sunsets can last decades, with pale cyan skies slowly fading into darkness. Neptune's sunsets are deep blue and mysterious. The sun appears tiny, glowing faintly before disappearing. At the edge of our solar system, Pluto watches the sun grow small, a cold world of ice and silence, where daylight fades, not with warmth, but with stillness. Far beyond our sun, a rocky world orbits a red star. Its sky glows crimson, as a different sun slowly sets on an alien horizon. Trappist-Uni. Even farther away, a frozen super-Earth feels the last touch of light. The star is faint, the cold is endless, and night returns to another world.